Look, folks, I've got some exciting news for you about unlocking your dream home today. We're talking 203k loans, your golden ticket to buying and renovating that fixer-upper you've been eyeing. Now listen, I've helped countless people navigate this process, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step, no fluff. First things first, you've got to get your personal info in order. We're talking government-issued ID, your social security number, the whole 9 yards. Next up, income documentation. Pay stubs, W-2 forms, tax returns. If you've got additional income sources, you'll need proof of those too. Now here's the deal with asset documentation. You're going to need bank statements, retirement account info, all that good stuff. And don't forget about your credit report. They'll pull it, but you should check it out first. Any issues? Be ready to explain. Employment verification, property info, renovation plans. It's a lot, I know, but trust me, once you've got all this together, you're well on your way to making that dream home a reality.